Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to customize the totals row in Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make those crucial summary rows really pop for clearer reports and more professional dashboards. Let's not waste any time and jump right in. Go ahead and open up Power BI on your computer. If you're working along with me, having Power BI open will make things much easier. I've got a sample dataset loaded up here. You can use any table or matrix visualization for this, but feel free to use your own data if you want to customize your own project. Once you have your data loaded in, head over to the Visualization section. That's that panel on the right side of your Power BI interface. Here is where you summon all the different ways to display your numbers and insights, like tables, charts, and more. For customizing the totals row, we'll want to work with a table or matrix visual, so click to select whichever one you prefer or whichever one you're already using. With your visual selected, look for the small paint roller icon. That's where formatting magic happens. You'll see a list of options and you want to find one labeled totals. Expanding this will show values, which is the part we want to focus on today. This is where you control how the totals look, making them stand out from the regular row data. Customizing this part isn't just about aesthetic preferences, it's about clarity. For example, if your totals row looks the same as all your other data, it's easy for your audience to miss the most important insights when they're scanning your report. Giving it a unique color scheme helps people instantly spot key summary numbers at a glance. Here, where you can get creative. Next, you'll see options to change the font color, and background color for the totals. These let you turn a bland totals row into something bold and readable. For our sample case, let's set the text color to red. That might sound a little strong, but red is really effective for drawing eyes to crucial figures. Think of it like highlighting, but more subtle. Then let's set the background color to yellow. The contrast between red text and a yellow background is high, so your totals will jump out immediately. If you've ever seen a sticky note on a report, yellow is the color for grabbing attention but still looks professional. Now let's adjust the font size. By default, Power BI sometimes keeps things pretty modest, but if you increase the font size to 12, your totals will be big enough to notice, but not so large that they look out of place with the rest of your data. This little bump in size goes a long way, especially if your dashboard will be viewed on projectors or shared in meetings. And just like that, you've completely customized your totals row. It's a simple change, but it really elevates your report's clarity and overall look. If any step took a little longer or looked different on your setup, don't worry, sometimes Power BI updates or workspace customizations can move the buttons around a bit, but the main principles stay the same. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want tips on other Power BI features. I always read them and do my best to help out. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials to help you sharpen your reporting skills, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.